Another cold one.
But not as cold.
Not as cold.
16 was as cold as we got in Ridgeland, South Carolina. Guyton was the coldest in Georgia with 18. So it was really chilly last night. Didn't set any records, but it was plenty cold enough.
Yeah.
It'll be chilly tonight, just not as cold. Take a look at our nation's temperatures and watch how from 11 o'clock this morning we kind of warm up a little bit and then start to cool right back down. The purples, the whites, the real dangerous cold, the single digits and below zero temperatures are up here behind our banner, behind the word temperatures. We're basically in more moderate temperatures tonight. I think we're going to be in pretty good shape and more of a southerly wind, which is helping us out, southwesterly wind anyway. To look at the precipitation crossing our nation's capital, stretching up to New York. In fact, the rain-snow line is right between Washington and Baltimore, BWI. That's going to push offshore pretty quickly. Another little impulse of snow coming out of southern Ohio into West Virginia. No problems there. We had some clouds earlier. Future Max shows us that. Those clouds have now cleared off. This is Thursday, 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Then look, by Friday, 1 o'clock, we start to see some areas of precipitation starting to develop back here to the southwest. This is our next rain chance, but it's going to have a partner. The next Arctic front will come along and capture this moisture. Looks like the Tennessee Valley stretching back into Texas. That's where it may rain the heaviest, and we could get some rain out of that. Our clouds have pushed through. Look at all the rest of the clouds farther to the north and east. They will stay there. We're going to be starry for most of the night, allowing us to cool again, probably briefly below freezing for overnight lows. 52.22 was Savannah's official low this morning, not close to the record of 18. That's an older record, too, from the 1800s. Of course, no rainfall, but we might see our first rain of 2012 coming up this weekend. 41 now as the skies are clearing. 37% relative humidity. Dew points way down at 17. Pressure still high. 51 was our high today here at WTOC. Big Blue H, the area of high pressure. It's now anchored in place, keeping the Arctic fronts away. There's one. Here comes another that starts to swing down. But this next one will catch that moisture that's coming out of the Gulf and may help draw the moisture into the Tennessee Valley. This is Saturday morning. Watch, we might see some rain try to come our way. We'd like to see some rain. Of course, we never want to see any rain over the weekend. Next tide will be high at 4:48. Low tide 11:21 tomorrow morning. Full wolf moon is coming up on Sunday. Look forward to that. Doppler Max 11 forecast then for tonight. Not as cold. 31 for an overnight low. Just a light west breeze. Tomorrow, west wind 5 to 10. That's a warmer west wind, as all our junior forecasters know. 58 for an afternoon high. Down to 37 tomorrow night. Mostly sunny Friday, 65. 68 Saturday. That 20% chance of precipitation should be late in the day. Better chance of showers probably on Sunday, but still just a 30% chance. So let's not change any plans. Lingering into early Monday, we're back to the 50s midweek next week with overnight lows in the 40s. And we look ahead to the weekend. The WTOC Fit Club Challenge, the big boot camp coming up. It's free at Davenport Park, 10 o'clock Saturday morning with Linda Figueredo. And the return of the mild weather will certainly make that much more comfortable. 31 overnight, sunshine 58 tomorrow. Now you're all set and ready to go. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
Thanks a lot, John.